Basically, what our group was tasked with was to create a sustainable home on Mars given all its conditions. So what we decided to do for our design was to make our house based on 4 parts, with an outermost layer made of ceramics, since the inner layers of this will be lined with water so as to heat inside given the temperatures are so low on Mars. And then it is reinforced with carbon fiber so as to tackle the external variables and the environment such as dust storms and meteor showers, etc. So the next layer is the radiation shield, which is lined with lead, and the glass is infused with boron, so as any remnant cosmic radiation from the sun would be trapped inside here so as not to enter the Martian pod, which is where our humans will inhabit the environment. And then on the inside, we have 3 layers. So basically, the top layer has a generator for electricity, which is powered by a solar panel system. Then we have a water extraction system, which is what is powering this, and also the water will be sent to our aeroponic system and also for the living area. And then we also have an oxygenation system so as to regulate the pressure, since the pressure on Mars is extremely low. And then the second layer is the living area, and then the last layer is where we have our aeroponic system. And that's essentially our entire design for our Mars project.